Bench testing a 1957 Cadillac headlight switch with the fog light option, serial number HSF07042025, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, tail and fog light operation from parking lights are off. Test number 4, dash lights set low to high. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. And test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. During the run-up test, we're going to boost the battery. Right now we're reporting around 12.83 volts. Now in the boost we're about 13.13 volts. Also during the run-up test, we're going to monitor the temperature in Fahrenheit, the rheostat temperature, with the probe set on the extreme outside of the rheostat, which would be the insulated quality of the rheostat. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, have our tail and parking lights on and off. Again, first position, tail and parking lights and off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, have our tail parking. Second position, front parking lights come off and headlights are on. Back to first position, headlights come off, front parking lights come on and off. Test number 3, tail and fog light operation, front parking lights off. First position, have our tail and parking lights. Turning on the fog lights, our front parking lights come off and we see the indication of fog lights. Turn the fog light switch off, fog lights come off, front parking lights come back on and off. Again, first position, have our front parking and tail. Turn the fog lights on, front parking lights come off. In this feature, only the front parking lights or the fog lights will come on. This switch controls parking and fog. Back to first position and off. Test number 4, dash lights set low to high. First position, rotate the rheostat, raise dash lights to full bright, and let's rotate that to mid-range. To low. To off. Back to mid-range. To bright. And up to full bright. We see I have a little increase in temperature, up to 92 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go to mid-range. Second position, headlight position, mid-range on the dash lights. To low. To the off position. Back to mid-range. To bright. Full bright. Now reporting 103 degrees in Fahrenheit. Back to first position. Mid-range. And off. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. The Delco Remy headlight switches had a built-in circuit breaker on the switch body. Some bimetallic contact arm. In the event of an overheating of the wiring or the short in the system of the lights, bimetallic arm will expand and break the connection between the battery and the switch, protecting the vehicle wiring and the switch. To demonstrate that, we're going to put this switch in first position and demonstrate expansion of the arm to possible short we see the connection between the battery and the switch is broken. Second position, headlights position. Now this feature is also available. Simulate expansion of the bimetallic arm, contact arm. And we see the circuit between the battery and the switch is broken. This will protect the vehicle wiring and the headlight switch. Back to first position and off. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. This test will be using a standard 12 volt test light. We see we have continuity back to the battery at the switch chassis. I'm going to probe each one of the terminals on the fog light switch and on the switch body, demonstrate that the switch is insulated from ground. First position, we're going to be testing the dash light feed. We have no continuity back to the battery. This is your battery feed, no continuity back to the battery. Headlight feed, no continuity back to the battery. Tail light, no continuity back to the battery. Parking light feed, no continuity back to the battery. Brake light feed, no continuity back to the battery. This is our feed from the switch parking terminal to the center of the fog light switch. We have no continuity back to the battery. This is your fog light terminal, no continuity back to the battery. And this is your parking light terminal, no continuity back to the battery. The only continuity we have back to the battery is at the switch chassis. This demonstrates that the switch terminals and the fog light switch are insulated from ground.